you ever faced a day or a special occasion where you feel like you have nothing to wear? For many of us, this question needs to be revised. We often have many clothes in our closet, we just feel the need for something different. Hi, I'm Sydney, a fellow college freshman with a limited income. No need to stress though. There are many ways that we can repurpose our old clothes to give them a new life. One of my favorite ways to repurpose old clothes is through reverse tie-dyeing. Today, I'm going to show you how to reverse tie-dye an old t-shirt and a pair of jeans that I found lying around. We're going to begin by reverse tie-dyeing this shirt. The first step is to dampen it. I have a bowl of water here to soak my shirt in. We're just going to wring out the excess water. The next step is to decide what pattern you want to use. Today, I'm going to be using a spiral pattern, but you can mix and match whatever patterns you want to use, which makes this project very versatile and customizable. I'm going to lay my shirt out on this flat surface, and for a spiral pattern, you're just going to pinch the middle and begin twisting. So I'm just going to continue doing this until my whole shirt is gathered, and then I'm going to begin the rubber banding process. Now that my shirt is rubber banded together like so, I'm going to place it on a baking sheet covered in a black trash bag to prevent bleach from getting in unwanted places. This is a bottle with a 1 part bleach mixture and 1 part water mixture. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it to every other triangle to create my spiral pattern. You're just going to be generous and you're just going to squirt it on the shirt like so. And make sure I'm skipping every other triangle. Alright, now that we've done one side of the shirt, we're going to flip it over onto this spot to prevent bleach from spreading and do the other side. Make sure you keep track of which triangles you have done and continue to follow through with the same pattern on the other side. I grabbed this triangle because I put bleach on it last time, so I'm just going to start with this one and continue going to every other triangle. Alright, now that we've applied the bleach, we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now that we've let the shirt sit, you can see that it's a little bit faded on the parts where we put bleach. And in order to deactivate the bleach, we're going to let it sit in a 1 part hydrogen peroxide mixture, 10 part water mixture for about 5 minutes. Now that the shirt's done soaking, we're going to remove it and unrubber band it to reveal our design. Now that we've taken the rubber bands off, we're going to throw this shirt in the washer to finish setting the bleach. Now I'm going to tie-dye these jeans using a different method to get a more intricate pattern. I'm going to use these old makeup sponges and this paintbrush I found lying around. First, we're going to dampen the jeans. So I just have a bowl of water and I'm going to soak them in. I'm going to wring out all that excess water. Alright, now that we have dampened the jeans, I'm just going to lay them out on this flat surface, and I'm going to smooth out the pockets, make sure there aren't any wrinkles, because that's the area I'm going to be working on. Okay, and the first method we're going to do is we're going to take this little sponge, and I have my 1 part water, 1 part bleach mixture here, and I'm just going to soak the sponge in, and I'm just going to start stamping. So the next method we're going to try is I'm going to use a paintbrush and I'm going to trace this star to create a star outline, but you can do whatever design you desire. Now we're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. The jeans have had some time to let the bleach soak and activate. We're going to stick them in the hydrogen peroxide mixture we used last time and let them soak for about 5 minutes, and we'll see you back here with the results. This is the final product after being washed and dried. Now the next time you're staring in your closet with nothing to wear, you have a cheap and practical option to bring new life to old clothes.